Welcome to Acharya Shri Vijay Vallabh Primary School, Standard 4th, English Grammar. Topic is adjectives, degrees of comparison. Now let us see the example, children. This boy, his name is Anil. Anil is a clever boy. See, he has got a medal, so he is a clever boy. The next boy is Sunil. Sunil is cleverer than Anil. See, he has got a nice trophy. So, Sunil is cleverer than Anil. Now, the third boy is Rahul. Rahul is the cleverest of the three boys. You can see he has got a medal also and he has got a trophy also. So, he is the cleverest of all the three. Now, when we are talking about Anil, we are talking about him only. So, he is only a clever boy. So here we are not comparing Anil with anyone. Whereas when we are talking about Sunil, we are comparing him with Anil. So we are saying Sunil is cleverer than Anil. And when we are talking about Rahul, we are comparing him with Anil as well as Sunil. So among them, he is the cleverest. Okay. So positive degree. What is positive degree? Clever is an adjective in its simplest form, that is the positive degree. The positive degree indicates the presence of a quality without any comparison. Now we are talking about Sunil. Comparative degree. Cleverer is the comparison form, that is the comparative degree. The comparative degree indicates the presence of more of a certain quality in a noun when compared to another. So we were comparing Sunil with Anil. So the word cleverer we used. Now we come to the superlative degree. Cleverest. Cleverest is the highest form, that is the superlative degree. The superlative degree indicates the highest presence of a certain quality in a noun when compared to other nouns. Always remember, children, two nouns are required in a comparative degree. The comparative degree of an adjective mostly ends with an ER, usually followed by a than. Now see this sentence. Sunil is cleverer than Anil. So here for clever we have added ER and it is followed by than. So in comparative degree, usually we write ER in front of the noun, the adjective, and it is followed by than. More than two nouns are required in a superlative degree. The superlative degree of an adjective mostly ends with an est, usually with a the written before it. See in the sentence, Rahul is the cleverest of the three boys. So here in front of clever we have added est. So it became the superlative degree and it is followed by the, the, the. There are different ways in which adjectives form comparative degree. When the adjective ends in E, R is added. So the examples are close, closer, nice, nicer, wise, wiser. So here you can see the adjective ends with an E. So when it ends with an E, then when we are forming the comparative degree, we add R in front of that. So here see close is the ending word. So it became closer. CLOSER. Nice became nicer. NICER. Wise became wiser. WISER. Next, when the adjective ends in a consonant, ER is added. So high, the example is high, higher. See HIGH, the ending word is H, H is a consonant. So when we are making the comparative degree, we add ER, higher, HIGHER. Loud, louder, LOUDER. Hard, harder, HARD. Again, D is a consonant, so HARDER. However, when such an adjective has a single syllable and a single vowel before the consonant, then the consonant is doubled and ER is added. For example, big, BIG, big. So the ending word is a consonant, but just before that there is a vowel. So this G will be doubled. So when you are making the comparative degree, we write it as BIGGER, bigger, big, bigger, hot, hotter. See, in front of the consonant T, a vowel is there. So HOT, T will become double times, HOTTER. So these are the examples. Now the third rule. When the adjective ends in Y, the Y is changed and ER is added. Means the Y is, we have to remove that Y, okay, is changed to I and ER is added. For example, DRY, dry. Okay. Now dry, the ending word is Y. So we will remove that Y. Instead of Y, we will write I and then ER will be added. So dry, drier, DRIER. When an adjective ends in Y, the Y is changed to I and ER is added. So same thing for lazy, lazier, angry, angrier, holy, holier. But there are some exceptions also. Some exceptions are shy, shyer, sly, slyer. Here we are not removing that Y. We are keeping that Y as it is and ER is added. So these are the exceptions. Many adjectives with two or more syllables form their comparative degree and superlative degree with more and most. Now, the examples are careful. Now, when we have to write the comparative degree of that, we add more in front of that. So, careful will become more careful, most careful. Dangerous will become more dangerous, most dangerous. So these are the comparative degrees and superlative degrees where the word doesn't change. But in front of that, we write more for comparative degree. And when we have to write the superlative degree of that only word, we write most in front of that. So this we have to keep it in mind, children. A few adjectives have irregular degrees of comparison. There are some words when you have to write the comparative degree and the superlative degree, the word completely changes. For example, see, good, the comparative is better and the superlative is best. So good, better, best. Bad or ill. Bad or ill, the comparative is worse and the superlative is worst. Much, many, the comparative is more and the superlative is most. For little, the comparative is less or it can be lesser also. And the superlative is least. For far, farther, farthest, or far, further, furthest. These are the comparative and superlative degrees of comparison. These are few adjectives that do not allow any comparison. So these are the words which do not allow any comparison. Excellent, ideal, dead, living, oblong, oval, square, straight, perfect, woolen, wooden. So these are the exceptional cases. These are few adjectives that do not allow any comparison. Now we will solve from our textbook, children. Write down the comparative and superlative degrees of the following adjectives. Okay. So here the positive degrees are given to you. You have to write the comparative degree and the superlative degree. So first is small, smaller, smallest. Innocent, more innocent, most innocent. Proper, more proper, most proper. Healthy, healthier, healthiest. Good, better, best. Holy, holier, holiest. Angry, angrier, angriest. Brilliant, more brilliant, most brilliant. Naughty, naughtier, naughtiest. Rich, richer, richest. So this was all about positive, comparative, and superlative degree. Okay, children? So I hope everyone has understood what is positive degree, what is comparative degree, and what is superlative degree. Okay, children? Thank you.